At this North Yorkshire farm, water isn't normally a problem, but natural springs are at their lowest levels in years, and it's not rained properly in months.
Since the end of April, it rained on the 7th of June, 3 weeks on Thursday, and then Saturday night. Those are the 3 bits of rain we've had. But we have the rest of July and all August to come yet, which are other 2 months of summer.
This is a cow and sheep farm, and it relies on grass for its livestock. But where there should be lush green pasture, lack of rain has left brown fields and barren earth.
There is so little vegetation, green, nutritious grass of any sort for them to graze. And there's quite a lot of ground to go at in this field, and the sheep have a big straight to run at, but there's just anywhere left where there's any grass growing.
And what impact does that have on the sheep, their health?
They're not producing milk for the lambs. The lambs are needing milk. They're still dependent on the mothers. So they're, again, quite thin. They're not growing like they should be growing. They're pot-bedded and looking very miserable and sad.
Farmers like Keith say that if this current dry spell continues, food security cannot be guaranteed. And officials today warned that parts of England could soon be in a drought.
When the land is already as dry as this, rainfall in the next few weeks, however significant it is, isn't really going to help this land. And remember, there is acre upon acre of it is already too dry to recover. But where it will be significant, that rain, if it comes, is helping to grow new grass, and that'll help feed livestock like these sheep over winter. And it will also crucially help reduce fire risks on land that is absolutely parched.
We've seen how dry conditions have fueled fires and shrunk levels in rivers and reservoirs. Today, officials said there are no guarantees of more rain to come.
It looks like there'll be a lot of dry weather around in the next few weeks, especially for the southern half of the UK, at least, with the bulk of any significant rainfall in the far north and northwest.
In fact, forecasters warn of another heat wave this weekend and next week, as extreme temperatures driven by climate change prompt calls for urgent action.
I think it should be a wake-up call, but it shouldn't be a one-off. It shouldn't just be a news story. It should be the kind of time that radicalises lots of people, the time that makes people feel energised and feel motivated to take action.
Tomorrow there will be an urgent government-led meeting about the possible drought to look at what restrictions might be necessary to guarantee water supplies and keep everyone safe. Catherine Ivtotsi, Sky News.